Good day, my name is Mohammad Faiz Binti Fadzial. I'm from DK3A and my matrix number is 07DK20F1003.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, my name is Muhammad Khairul bin Rahim. My matrix number 07DKA20F1007.
My name is Marc Shamon Wong and my matrix number is 07DKA20F1009.
Hello, my name is Siti NurFatihah Binti Yakop. My matrix number is 07DKA20F1013. So this is the topics that we will explain to you, which is introduction, objective, task 1 and task 2, following with task 3 and task 4, and the last one is conclusion.
For our introduction, since the 1930s, physicians have played an important role in identifying patterns of injuries caused by motor vehicles accidents and suggesting design changes that, once implemented, resulted in fewer injuries and fatalities. This role has dwindled over time. However, today's forensic pathologist, along with his or her clinical trauma service colleagues, plays a similar role in identifying patterns of injury and mechanisms of death that can aid in understanding the circumstances of a motor vehicle collision event. Injury patterns that are correctly interpreted can provide useful information for accident reconstruction. The bodily injuries may be equated to a statement from the only unbiased witness to the accident. Road maintenance is a continuous process that involves keeping and repairing of the existing road. So, it is carried out to control the rate of damage and to ensure the safety towards the road users or the public. The purpose of road maintenance are to ensure the durability of the road, maintaining the usage for the traffic user, and improving the traffic system operation.
Road maintenance has three main objectives. It prolongs the road life and postpones the day when renewal will be required. It reduces the cost of operating vehicles on roads, and it helps to keep roads open and enables greater regularity, punctuality, and safety of road transport services.
For task 1, I will be explaining the role and responsibilities. Role for all the drivers are to wear seat belts at all times to ensure their safety. Next, accurately follow the maps, routes and destination. This way the driver can be sure not to make any wrong way while driving. For example, the drivers do not make any sudden turns to shock any other drivers and may cause any accident. Moreover, drivers are also to practice their driving habits. For example, drivers should not call while driving, always give signals when turning left or right, do not drive under the influence, drive the speed limit, and more. Not only that, drivers should also maintain their vehicle equipment. For example, replacing the oil and perform the general motorized vehicle maintenance to make sure all the engine, side mirror, and more are in well condition to drive. Last but not least, keep the inside of the car clean at all times. This is because to keep the driver comfortable for driving and not distracted by any garbage or crumbs of food.
We continue with task 2, which is identifying traffic pattern and existing architecture.
In carrying out road maintenance work, it will involve the coordination of various resources and related factors. These activities need to be managed efficiently, systematically, and effectively so that road users can use the road comfortably as the road is newly built. The success or failure of a road maintenance depends on the effectiveness of its management, the required budget, and manpower. The surrounding conditions are one of the reasons why the road conditions are getting worse, and compounded by the increasing use of vehicles, especially heavy vehicles such as trailers, lorries, and buses, which is constantly increasing from year to year.
The picture shown us about KKRP area crossroad in Google Map.
KKIP crossroad has road puddles or damaged roads. Road puddles are holes in the pavement that occur slowly by the action of erosion by vehicles, especially heavy vehicles coming in and out. This is because there are many manufacturing factories and construction sites on the road where the heavy vehicles are always coming in and out. Such types of vehicles will cause damaged roads and potholes, which can lead to motor vehicles accidents if the roads are not maintained quickly. The type of maintenance used is restoration maintenance, which designed to restore the surface to suitable condition and best applied to pavement with distress limited to the surfacing. These techniques include rejuvenation, crack sealing, patching, and thin bituminous overlay.
Task 3. Relating operational strategy to constituent interests, agency goals, and operational objective. Strategic priorities, pillars, planks, objective. They are all the same thing. Whatever you call them, they are a critical component of your plan. For this white paper, we are going to call them strategic objective. Strategic objectives are broad statements of direction that create a bridge from your vision to the annual plan or goals. We like to refer to strategic objectives as mini vision statements because they should support your overall vision of success but break it down into manageable and actionable focus areas. Ideally, strategies objectives should be broad, 3 years statement that address that at the core functional areas of your organization. We are fans of Kaplan and Norton Balance scorecard, which guide strategic objective to address the people and skills, operational, growth of customers, and financial areas of your organization, and having an SO in each of the balance scorecard perspective ensures your plan in A is focusing on the core aspect of your business.
So, we will move to the sixth topic, which is adaptive and non-adaptive technology systems in the aspect of road maintenance. Okay, first, road maintenance is a very important aspect in preserving road lifespan, durability, and human life. Throughout history, road maintenance undergoes various evolution in terms of procedure and technology. Nowadays, there are hundreds of road maintenance technology systems that can be adapted to shorten and ease the processes involved in road maintenance. Proper road maintenance can reduce hazards and expand the lifespan of roads. Next, road maintenance technology. In Malaysia, the adaptation of road maintenance technology is slow and impractical. We still use the traditional method and complicated processes. It took a long time, causes other hazards, and does not expand the lifespan of the road. In another country like America, they are adapting new technologies in their civil engineering prospect. Sheffield and American Road Patch are the few examples of the new technology that been adapted there but not in Malaysia yet. Lastly, we move to the pros and cons of traditional method or non-adaptive technology and adaptive technology. So, for traditional method or non-adaptive technology, the process and procedure and understood and known by the general. For adaptive technology, it is need specific training, exposure, and source to be used. So, traditional method proven unreliable unreliable anymore to the current times. And the technology is a new technology proven suited for current times. Traditional method it is a complicated processes, but the technology only involve 1 to 3 processes. Traditional method also uh, it is could take more than 12 hours to finish, and adaptive technology only take 1 to 3 hours to finish. Traditional method also use higher cost for labor and plants, but the technology uh, lower cost due to small labors and no plant needed. And lastly, traditional method still favored by many due to tradition and for technology only favored by few due to small exposure.
Conclusion: forensic investigation is an important role in identifying patterns of injuries caused by motor vehicle accidents and suggesting design changes that, once implemented, the resulted in fewer injuries and fatalities. This role has dwindled over time. The injuries patterns that are correctly interpreted can provide useful information for accident reconstruction. The bodily injury may be equated to a statement from the only unbiased witness to the accident. Road maintenance is an continuous process that involves keep and repairing of the existing road, so it is carried out to control the rate and of damage and to ensure the safety towards the road users or the public. The purpose of road maintenance are to ensure the reliability of the road and maintaining the usage for the traffic user and improving the traffic system operation. That's all from our group. Thank you.